the feeling can be so difficult that immediately we react and we attack the environment. You make me feel worthless. You don't listen to me. You are rejecting me. You're not paying attention to me. Because I should never feel this worthless thing. It's intolerable. Sometimes if you really go into the purity of the sense of worthlessness, it can feel like it invalidates not just who you are right now, but who you have ever been and who you will ever be. It's practically non-dual. It's timeless, this horrible area of suffering which hovers through the field of experience. Very, very, very difficult to deal with, and so easy to blame others. Blame your parents. Blame your partner. Blame your lack of a partner. Blame the government. Blame the system. This feeling of having zero utility, having no worth, is at the basis of most personality disorders. They did psychological research into the common factor of narcissism, Machiavellianism, sadism, psychopathy, megalomania, just to name a few. And they call it this factor D, the D factor. And this D factor is this sense of having absolutely no worth, which can spur this incredible grandiosity, this I have value and the stinky cheese face, and I am above you, and you, if I ever feel worthless, it's because you are not behaving. This sense of exaggerated worth, and I've got 3 Jaguars, so you will listen to me. I pay for you, so you will feel what I tell you to. Because that's the other side of worthlessness, the compensatory movement, to have all the value in the world, to claim all the right, all the privilege. You see the narcissism in it. To be superlative. Doesn't matter with what, if you're the greatest football player or the greatest psychiatric case, whatever it is, it has to be the greatest. Have the most value, be the most interesting. So it's very interesting that this disconnect from the true sense of value can cause such suffering and distress in our personalities. And we all have these dark traits inside our personalities. They show up where we feel most worthless. Not as a fixture forever, but as a phenomenon. We all have our narcissistic moments and our Machiavellian mornings and if we watch it closely, we will find moments of it in all of us, especially when we touch this awful sense of suffering, which is the feeling of worthlessness.